10 Best Task List Apps to Boost Productivity in 2020. Tanvir Zafar, the founder of ISU Technologies. Passionate in writing about productivity, creativity, entrepreneurship, work and technology. Read full profile. Organizational drag is anything that eats up time and keeps people from getting things done in time. Companies that wish to boost productivity do so by creating more efficient processes. This also applies to individuals, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you work alone or as part of a team, it is important to use the right tools to boost productivity. And having an accessible and easily manageable task list can go a long way. ToDoist is an awesome to-do task list app that is used by over 10 million people. To use the app, you just have to write down all the activities that you plan to do. The software will then interpret these activities and categorize the tasks accordingly. For instance, if you create a task to go for lunch at noon with a friend, the app will automatically categorize this task as a meeting and will send you a reminder at the right time. However, this app is more than a personal activity planner. You can use it to plan activities for the entire team. It is also good for planning entire projects, discussing details about the project, and monitoring the deadlines. The basic functionality is free, but you can unlock premium features for $36 or $60 a year for full access. This productivity app lets you manage your workflows and tasks. It is a great tool for creating a task list and helping you have a clear view of your work and the status of each task. The app is a bit similar to a spreadsheet. However, it looks much nicer, and it allows you to toggle between multiple views. It gives you alerts and notifications, and it allows you to attach files as well as communicate with colleagues. The features of Monday.com include a task board that can be customized to manage due date, hours spent, task status, and much more. Users can upload and attach files, make comments, mention members of the team, and more. It can also be integrated into Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, Jira, Dropbox, and many other platforms. ToDoist is a great app for boosting productivity. It offers highly intuitive communication, which can help you save up to 56 hours a week. Your only problem will be deciding how you can utilize all the extra time. Whether you are talking with a customer, colleague, or client, this app has all the features you need. With GIFs, screenshots, and image annotation, you no longer have to write lengthy emails. Instead, you can show people what you want them to do. The app has over 3 million users. It has proven quite reliable when it comes to helping users to boost productivity. You can opt for the free version or you can opt for a $9 a month upgrade to access premium features. If you are working closely with members of your team, Quip is a great app for team activities. The platform combines spreadsheets, documents, slides, and chat. Its main strength is that it comes with a suite of live apps. You can use them to increase the functionality of Quip. Moreover, you will waste less time by being able to streamline the use of various tools. Quip is one of the most adaptable productivity apps in the world. There are options to use connected tools to track time, manage work, and much more. Some of the integrations of Quip are Dropbox, GitHub, Slack, Salesforce, and much more. The app costs just $30 a month for 5 users. Trello is an app that makes managing projects an easy task. This is made possible by the app's Kanban philosophy. It is a visual and intuitive platform. Users can break huge tasks into small chunks, making it useful for creating a task list. This is made possible by creating cards for each task. The cards can be organized into different columns, which are representative of various stages of the project. Once a task is complete, a card is moved from one column to the next. This app is perfect for those who wish to improve their work habits and minimize distractions while maintaining focus on current tasks. Focus Keeper is based on the Pomodoro technique. This method utilizes timeboxing to ensure each task is complete. This is more than a task list app. If you wish to understand how you work best, the app delivers a suite of tools that you can use to set up your workday. It tracks your hours, analyzes, checks interruptions, and much more. Some of the integrations of Focus Keeper are Trello, Asana, ToDoist, Basecamp, Outlook, Google Keep, and many others. The app costs $2.99 a month for those who wish to access premium features. It is accessible on Linux, iOS, Android, Web, macOS, and Windows. This app is designed as a professional and personal to-do task list manager. The app has a very efficient and optimized design due to the developer's philosophy on visual task management. It allows you to easily get updates and work with your teammates. The app also allows users to customize and choose templates based on their preferences. It is easy to use, but it helps you get things done. The app is currently free. This Kanban-style app is quite popular. It helps you visually organize your tasks. With this app, you can set deadlines, tasks, assignees, and visualize your workflow. It is quite popular and used by many people. The app features a sleek clutter-free design and comes with several integrations. As a result, it can be adapted to a wide range of projects. The app costs $9.99 a month. You can use this simple time tracker to help boost your team's productivity. It works on different devices across several platforms. And it comes with numerous friendly reminders to ensure that you remember to keep it on. It usually sends you a report once you complete a task to help you make improvements next time. This app is considered the gold standard of the to-do apps. OmniFocus delivers a huge number of features that can be used to sort, prioritize, and plan tasks. It features several ways to categorize tasks such as location, energy needed, and priority. All the apps above are great for boosting productivity. However, you will need to pick one that best suits your needs. Try a number of them out before you decide to settle on one. The founder of ISU Technologies. Passionate in writing about productivity, creativity, entrepreneurship, work and technology. Bristol is the most congested city in England. Whenever I have to work at the office, I ride there, like most of us do. Furthermore, I always make sure to go at off hours, otherwise, the roads are jam-packed with cars, buses, bikes, even pedestrians. Why is that? Because everyone is working a traditional 9-to-5 work day. Where did the 9-to-5 come from? It all started back in 1946. The United States government implemented the 40-hour work week for all federal employees. And all companies adopted the practice afterwards. That's 67 years with the same schedule. Let's think about all the things that have changed in the 67 years. Computers used to take up entire rooms and took hours to make a single calculation. Now we have more powerful computers in our purses and back pockets with our smartphones. In 1946, a 9-to-5 job made sense because we had time after 5 p.m. for a social life, a family life. Now we're constantly connected to other people and the office. With the internet, email on our smartphones, and hashtags in our movies and television shows, there is no downtime anymore. Enjoying your downtime is an important part of life. It recharges your batteries and lets you be more productive. Allowing people to balance life and work can provide them with much needed perspective and motivation to see the bigger picture of what they are trying to achieve. Some people are just more productive when they're working at their optimal time of day, after feeling well rested and personally fulfilled. For some, that can be from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. For others, it could be 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. People have their own rhythms and routines. It would be great if we could sync our work schedule to match. Simply put, the imposed 8-hour workday can be a creativity and morale killer for the average person in today's world. Fostering creativity among employees is not always an easy endeavor. But perhaps a good place to start is by simply not tying the tasks and goals to a fixed time period. Let them work on the to-do list at their own pace. And chances are, you'll get the best out of your employee who feels empowered instead of babysat. That's not to say that you should allow your team to run wild and do whatever they want. But restricting them to a 9-to-5 time frame can quickly demoralize people. Set parameters and deadlines, and let them work at their own creative best with the understanding that their work is crucial to the functioning of the entire team. Margaret Heffernan, an entrepreneur who previously worked in broadcasting, noted to Inc. that from her experience, treating employees like grown-ups made it more likely that they would behave the same way. The principle here is to have your employees work to get things done, not to just follow the hands on the clock. Yahoo CEO Marissa Mayer famously recalled all her remote workers, saying she wanted to improve innovation and collaboration. But was that the right decision? We've all said that we're often more productive in a half day working from home than a full day working in the office. Right. So why not let your employees work remotely from home? There are definitely varying schools of thought on remote working. Some believe that innovation and collaboration can only happen in a boardroom with markers, whiteboards, and post-it notes, and of course, this can be true for some. But do a few great brainstorms trump a team that feels a little less stressed and a little more free? Those who champion remote working often note that these employees are not counting the clock, worried about getting home, cooking dinner, or rushing through errands post-work. No one works the 9 to 5 straight without breaks here and there. Allowing some time for remote working means employees can handle some non-work related tasks and feel more accomplished throughout the day. Also, sometimes we all need to have a taste of working in our pajamas. Right. It'll be interesting to see how many traditional companies and industries start giving their employees more freedom with their work schedule, and how many end up rescinding the policies like Yahoo did. What are your thoughts of the traditional 9 to 5 schedule, and what are you doing to help foster your team's productivity and creativity? Hit the comments and let us know. Text source: lifehack.org.